Hi everyone, my name is Alex. If you're new to my channel, welcome, and if you're a returning subscriber, welcome back. Today, I cannot describe how excited I am to be trying out this new product. This is the Youth to the People Mandelic Acid plus Superfood Unity Exfoliant. You get 4 fluid ounces of this product for $38, which I usually don't pay this much for an exfoliant, but with some of the ingredients in this product and some of the things that I have heard about it, I think it is going to be worth it, I hope. Something that specifically drew me to this product, besides the fact that I love the brand Youth to the People, is that this is marketed as a gentle exfoliant, which I'm getting into a lot recently. This has a combination of AHA, BHA, and PHA. I don't see a ton of those products on the market. This product is vegan, cruelty-free, alcohol-free, fragrance-free, and comes in recyclable packaging. Some of the chemical exfoliants that are in this product include a 3% concentration of mandelic acid, which is an AHA. This ingredient removes dull skin in a gentle way and also helps improve your skin's tone and texture. Another ingredient that this product has is a 2% concentration of salicylic acid, which helps to unclog pores and remove blemishes. I use a salicylic acid treatment at the moment, and it is a 2% concentration. I haven't seen many products with all 3 of these chemical exfoliants with a 2% concentration of salicylic acid, and it's personally my favorite exfoliant to use because I do suffer from breakouts. That is one thing that really makes me excited to try this product. And the last ingredient that this product has is a 1% concentration of PHA, which I am looking at the word and I am struggling to pronounce it, so bear with me. Gluconolactone? Wow. Gluconolactone. Gluconolactone, but this pretty much just boosts cell turnover and also increases hydration and helps protect your skin's moisture barrier. Part of their marketing is the fact that this is a gentle yet effective chemical exfoliant. So with that being said, there are a few things I am specifically looking for in this product. One of them being, how often can I use it personally? I usually do every other day where I do some type of either active or chemical exfoliant or anything like that. I usually take a day off. So how I'm going to start with introducing this product into my routine, I'm actually going to drop most of my actives except for retinol. I only use an AHA, a BHA, and a retinol at the moment. So I'm just going to cut out the BHA and the AHA and try to replace it with this product. I'm going to do it every other day at first until I kind of build up to it and see if I feel like I can use it more. I do usually use a BHA during the daytime and an AHA at nighttime some days. I'm going to try using this during the nighttime at first. Youth to the People says you can use it both day and night. Just make sure you apply an SPF. I'm also curious on one side how gentle this product is, and on the other side how effective this product is. I know it's sometimes hard to find a balance between the two. From the marketing of this product, I'm hoping that this is going to be the perfect balance of gentle and effective. Usually I've found that more gentle products actually work better on my skin and work better on a lot of skin types, especially sensitive skin. Usually if you get something that's formulated for more sensitive skin and you don't necessarily have it, it could treat your skin better. Like, I would prefer to be more gentle on my skin than to use a harsh exfoliant. I will continue to check in and kind of let you all know how it's going. But yeah, I will see you all in the next check-in. Wow. I look so crazy. Anyway, hi everyone. I am here to record my first impression of this product. I haven't even opened it yet. I haven't even looked at it yet. I wanted this to be completely blind. Also, I have been up since 6 a.m. this morning. It is currently 1 a.m. Wow. I apologize. I just really wanted to record my first impression using this product, and I was wanting to use it tonight. So, have to say, I'm never disappointed with Youth to the People's packaging. Oh, this has a lot of smell to it. First impression, it smells kind of lavendery, a little bit of rose, minty in a way. I don't know, it's not bad. It's just a lot at first. It could be because I'm not supposed to smell this acid, who knows. I have a cotton pad here. I usually don't use cotton pads when I'm doing like toners and stuff like this because I try to save the environment as much as possible. Also, this is a chemical exfoliant. There's not too many rules on where you should use it in your skincare routine. If you're new to this, I would definitely recommend using it in between your cleanser and your moisturizer, before you moisturize but after you cleanse. I'm using this as my first step in the treat process. Also, if you're new to using actives, I would definitely recommend starting out by using this maybe once a week. Try it out, see how you feel. I don't know how strong this is going to be. We're literally about to find out. It actually comes out very slowly, which I kind of like. You don't use like excess product, which is good because it's $38. This is my mirror. This feels so gentle. Usually when I would use like a PHA, AHA, and BHA toner, it would cause a lot of sensitivity. It kind of just feels like I clean my skin even more, which I like. It's definitely on there. Like, it doesn't even feel like it's on there. Give my skin just a little bit of a glow to it. I'm really struggling right now. I'm having really bad breakouts. Well, not terrible, but just breakouts because I'm stressed. I feel like this is the perfect time to try out this product and put it to use. It feels very gentle. I'm gonna see how I feel in the morning. I do not feel any sensitivity whatsoever. I do want to see if it does anything because it feels very gentle. This is the first time I've used a chemical exfoliant for the first time and not experience any type of sensitivity. Anyway, we will see how it goes. I'm liking it so far. I like how it feels right now. It's very lightweight. It kind of just soaks in. No like crazy redness, no anything like that. Okay, I will probably check in after I've used this during the daytime, so I will see you all in the next check-in. Hi everyone, I just wanted to give you a quick update on this product. I have used this during the daytime. I experienced no sensitivity whatsoever. I do have to say though, there are parts of my face that I don't feel like I need to exfoliate very much. Like, I've been using this product every other day. My T-zone needs it more than this part of my face. I noticed that when I use this every other day like I've been doing, I don't necessarily need to do that around this area because I've noticed a little bit of sensitivity to it. I've been seeing some really great progress with my skin while using this product. I had a lot of dark spots up here and texture along with around here. I had a zit here. You can almost barely tell that it was even a thing. Like I said, the progress that it's making on my skin is pretty amazing. I feel very confident again. I went through a phase where I was trying out a product that didn't work for me and I was like, okay, I need this product right now, and it did exactly what I was hoping it would do. I'm hoping that I'll continue to see good results with this product. I'm going to keep using it, and I will probably either check in with my final thoughts, or if I notice anything else, I'll check back in. So I will see you all then. Hi everyone, I just wanted to come back and give you all my final thoughts on this product. I was able to use this for about a week and I noticed some pretty good results. As I've said in some of my previous reviews, since this trial was so short, I wasn't able to see any long-term benefits of this product, but I did find a lot of great things about it. I'm going to go ahead and dive into the things that I found during this trial. So as you all saw, the first time that I used it, I didn't have any sensitivity when it first went on. That pretty much stayed true throughout using this product. I did not experience any tingling, any stinging, any type of sensitivity, which is really good for a triple exfoliant with BHA, AHA, and PHA. I did notice, however, that this was a very effective product. I had a zit right here with hyperpigmentation. It's still there a little bit, but usually it takes me about 2 to 3 weeks to get rid of hyperpigmentation, and I noticed when I was using this product, it definitely accelerated that process. I did notice the fragrance was a little bit potent in this product. When I look up the ingredients, I don't see any fragrance products in this, so it could just be a natural fragrance to it. It does go away after I use it, like it's not something that lingers on my face. choice. The only thing that I did notice with this product that I have to be careful with, because even though I didn't experience any initial sensitivity, I did experience just a little bit of sensitivity over time of using this every other day around my mouth area, which I talked about in the previous check-in. This went away after I stopped using it around that area so frequently. I never exfoliate that area of my skin that often, so I really don't think it was this product. I'm pretty sure it was just the fact that I was introducing an exfoliant and I'm not used to exfoliating that much around that part. It's super lightweight. I barely feel it when it goes on. It's actually one of my favorite chemical exfoliants that I've used out of all of them. It gets more expensive to buy a bunch of different products. Like, I could buy a BHA exfoliant, an AHA exfoliant, and a PHA exfoliant, and honestly I feel like it would be about the same price if I went with a more cheaper brand, much less if I got the Paula's Choice BHA exfoliant, for instance, and say I got the Ordinary's glycolic acid and then the Inculus PHA. That would be a little bit more than this product. So that, combined with how much I found myself using of this product, justifies the price point to me. It is a multi-layer exfoliant. I think that it is suitable to where if you are used to using exfoliating products, then you could use it every day. But like I've said before, if you're new to introducing exfoliating ingredients into your skincare routine, I would definitely try starting it out once a week, see how your skin reacts. If you don't notice any sensitivity after a while, kind of build up to adding it more. And if you feel like you only need it once a week, then I would just stick with that. I didn't notice any sensitivity when I used it during the daytime. I feel like it is suitable for both day and night use. I'm looking back at what I said and I don't think I said anything negative about this product, which makes me so happy. Youth to the People is such an amazing brand, and I am so glad that I got to try this product. I was so excited when they announced it, and it did not disappoint me in any way, shape, or form. Good job to Youth to the People. This is definitely the best liquid exfoliant that I've tried with the combination of AHA, BHA, and PHA. I cannot wait to use the rest of this product. I'm actually about to go use it right now. My nighttime routine is calling my name. Anyway, thank you all so much for watching this video. If you liked it, make sure you're subscribed because I post new videos every week, and I will see you all in the next review. Bye!